terms of project gateways, now, I've had experience of, that the PI insurance are coming in, they're saying, right, well, can we look at this project and all the gateways that you said we were going to do? How does Atvero help with project gateways, project quality plans, or whatever they're called?
Absolutely. So there are many quality management systems around. Most practices, as I said, will definitely have one defined because they need to, by their professional regulations. When they get to a particular size, they will be using something like ISO 9001 to define those quality management systems. But generally, they sound quite complicated when you talk about quality management system, but it's generally a set of checkpoints, a set of guidelines to follow, and a set of checks to make that you're doing the right thing when you're running a project. And a lot of those will relate to, do you have the proper documentation in place, or do you have the decisions documented and recorded for the life cycle of a project? So Atvero can help with that a great deal, because all that information is basically the drawings and the documents that you created for the project. And so Atvero has a quality management system where you can link those files that you have stored in Atvero as evidence to the questions that you need to answer as part of your quality management system. So Atvero is ideally basically set up to help you with that, because you're linking the questions that we keep track of with the files and the documents that answer those questions and prove that you did the right thing. And so Atvero has a very nice dashboard where you can pull that information up and basically answer, are we following our quality management process? Yes, because here are the steps that the project runners are going through to follow the manual. And these are the audits, and these are the answers we had to our audits, which show we are following those things properly. And if you're not following it, then we'll record that as well. If you're not in compliance, because nothing's perfect, you can record those non-compliances and you can reevaluate your project at the next stage, or maybe later on when some of those things have been addressed, and you can see the history of the compliance that your project had to your quality management through time.